If you're a Shopify business, this is how we help you manage your bookkeeping with QuickBooks. First, we help you figure out which plan in QuickBooks is best for you. Since Shopify is already capable of handling most of your sales and operations, your choice to work with QuickBooks will be based on accurately tracking bills, inventory, and multi-currency in QuickBooks for your Shopify store. The Easy Start plan is suitable for Shopify owners who want to do their own bookkeeping without the help of an accountant or bookkeeper. It comes with sales and expense tracking, however, you may miss out on tracking bills. Inventory and multi-currency are also not supported with this plan. The Essential plan, on the other hand, will help you track bills, expenses, inventory, and multiple currencies. This plan is sufficient for most Shopify business owners. The Plus and Advanced plan have a bit more features, such as the ability to track classes, projects, and automate workflows. These plans are typically used by well-established Shopify businesses. Once you choose a plan, there's really three main features that we optimize in order to allow your Shopify business to run smoothly within the QuickBooks software. For those who sell to multiple countries, we like to turn on the multi-currency feature. Once this feature is turned on, you can track bank accounts in various currencies. QuickBooks automatically converts these currencies to your home currency to give you a clear picture of your finances. For those with the Plus or Advanced plans, we also enable classes and locations tracking. Once turned on, you can categorize transactions by locations. This may be beneficial for those businesses with multiple locations. We also turn on the products and services feature for those who want to track the quantity and price of certain inventory. This feature can be directly linked to Shopify using a third-party app, so you can import and track inventory from your Shopify store into your QuickBooks. This will be discussed in more detail further in this video. Tracking your inventory in QuickBooks is a great way to see how your cost of inventory directly affects your profits. Other features such as progress invoicing and invoice reminders are typically not used by Shopify owners and don't need to be optimized. Once these features have been optimized, we can now start creating categories or chart of accounts specific to your Shopify business. These include the assets, liabilities, income, expenses, and equity accounts. These items will help you organize your financial statements so you can make better financial decisions. Now, if your Shopify business collects sales tax, you will need to track it within QuickBooks as well. To do this, you have to set up sales taxes for your appropriate province, territory, or state in QuickBooks. This can be done by navigating to the Taxes tab, then selecting Set up Sales Taxes. QuickBooks will guide you through adding a business location and determining the appropriate tax agencies based on your province or territory. Once your sales taxes have been set up for your Shopify business, you can now track how much you need to remit and collect in reports, invoices, bills, and expenses. Speaking of bills, let's talk about how you could track and manage expenses and bills in QuickBooks Online so that you can stay audit ready. There are a few ways in which you can track bills and expenses for your Shopify business. QuickBooks has a receipt and bill manager to help you track your receipts and bills. You can import bills or receipts in a few ways. You can drag and drop them directly from your desktop into the QuickBooks software. You can use your phone to take a picture of the receipts, which will then import it into the software. Or you can send the receipt or bill to an email that is specific to your QuickBooks account. Something to keep in mind is that the expenses feature comes with all the QuickBooks plans. However, the bill feature is only available for the Plus, Essential, and Advanced plans. Once we have the bills and expenses feature set up, we can now start connecting your bank account to QuickBooks. This allows us to pull transactions directly from the bank that you're using to run your business into QuickBooks so that they can be accurately categorized. You can do the categorizations yourself, but it is advised to hire professionals like us to do it for you accurately. At this point, all that is left is to connect Shopify to QuickBooks in order to record all your Shopify sales and inventory into QuickBooks. Connecting Shopify to QuickBooks is not necessary, but it does automate your bookkeeping process. Currently, QuickBooks uses a third-party app called Shopify Connector by Intuit to connect your Shopify store with QuickBooks. With this tool, you can import Shopify sales, payouts, fees, and inventory directly into QuickBooks in real time. To connect this app, simply click the App tab from your QuickBooks side panel, find the Shopify Connector by Intuit, then click Get App Now. It will ask you to log into your Shopify store. Once connected, you can set up workflows to what your QuickBooks business needs. You may set up workflows to create a sale in QuickBooks every time a sale is made in Shopify, or perhaps a workflow to record your Shopify payouts into QuickBooks, or maybe add products from Shopify into QuickBooks and update stock levels. Although this seems like a straightforward procedure, it needs to be meticulously set up, otherwise you may end up creating duplicate entries in your QuickBooks. Book a call with us if you need help setting this up. For those that don't want to worry about the app, you can manually enter data from Shopify into QuickBooks to track sales, inventory, and stock levels. The reports needed from Shopify to do this are your financial summary report, sales tax report, inventory report, and payout report. Data from these reports can be entered into QuickBooks on a monthly basis to give you a clear picture of your finances. If all this seems like a lot, you can book a discovery call with us by visiting paperlessbooks.ca to see how we can best serve your Shopify business. However, if you want to take on the bookkeeping yourself, here is a basic task schedule for your Shopify business. On a daily basis, you want to record transactions such as expenses for materials, fees, subscription services, or any other business costs. This generally involves categorizing the transactions that come in through your connected bank feeds. If you're using the Shopify Connector app in QuickBooks, you may want to match your Shopify sales to the sales in QuickBooks. Other daily tasks involve importing receipts and bills into the software so that they can be matched to the transactions coming from the bank feeds. On a monthly basis, you want to reconcile the bank and credit card statements with your records that you categorize on a daily basis, and you want to make sure that each transaction matches what is on the bank statements. If you are entering sales from Shopify manually, this is a good time to do this. This is also a good time to print all your financial reports and review them to make sure that you're on the right track for your business. Another monthly task is to prepare and file sales taxes in order to keep compliance in check. On an annual basis, you want to wrap up your year's financial activities and set the stage for the upcoming year. This can include tax filing review the year's overall financial performance and meeting with an accountant to ensure that everything is in order for tax reporting. You may also want to look over your budget to make sure that your goals align with your long-term growth strategies and update any financial tools or software so that you can keep your accounting methods efficient. If you are looking for a dedicated team to help with bookkeeping for your Shopify business, with QuickBooks, you can visit paperlessbooks.ca to book a free discovery call. Or put your questions in the comment sections below and I'll be sure to reply to you. See you on the next video.